Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do temperature conversions in Python. I know this looks more complicated and more difficult than it is, but it's really just a simple formula, and it won't take much time to learn at all. So without no further ado, let us begin. So suppose it's 10 Celsius outside. It's 10 degrees Celsius. What I'm saying here is that I'm assigning the variable, and the variable is Celsius, a value, which is 10. So what I'm doing here is I'm storing 10 in the variable of Celsius, and you'll see why real quick. Now what I'm doing here is I'm converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. So I'm going to go up here for my conversion formulas for Celsius, and Celsius to Fahrenheit is the first one. This is this is the formula. I'm going to copy it, or you could type it out, either way. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to make sure it has the proper indentation, and it does. So what I did here is I assigned another variable a value, and the other variable is Fahrenheit, and the other value is the formula, the Celsius to Fahrenheit formula. And this is where the math happens. So rather than doing it on paper or a calculator, you just have this do it. So you could print the results. I'm going to explain what this does in a minute. So the first one prints Celsius, and the Celsius is 10, obviously, and the second one prints the same value in Fahrenheit. Now, you don't have to have both. You could put Fahrenheit first and Celsius second, but for now, I'm going to delete the Celsius, and we're only going to have Fahrenheit. So now we have a Fahrenheit value, which is equal to 50. And once again, it's the same thing. You're assigning the variable, and this time the variable is Fahrenheit, not Celsius. A value, which is 50. Now, for this area, we're going to convert Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So once again, we're going to go to the Fahrenheit section. And Fahrenheit for Kelvin is this formula. We're going to copy it or manually type it in and bring it down here. So once again, it's the same thing. You're assigning a new variable, which is Fahrenheit, a value, which is the Fahrenheit to Kelvin conversion formula. And now we're gonna print the results. So in addition to the 50 Fahrenheit, we now have 283.15 kelvins. We're going to convert Kelvin to Rankine. So we're going to start the same way we have been. Kelvin equals 283.15. Assign the variable, which is this time Kelvin, a value, which is 283.15. We're going to do the conversion formula. So now we're going to go to Kelvin and find where it converts to Rankine. So here are the conversion formulas for Kelvin. Kelvin to Rankine is this. Once again, you can copy and paste it, or if that's not possible, just type it in. I'm just lining it up because your indentation has to be perfect. So assign a new variable, which is Rankine, a value, which is the Kelvin to Rankine conversion formula. You print the results. I could print Kelvin, but I don't want to reprint the same values over and over again. So this time it's 509 point this gigantic number. Now I'm going to convert from Rankine all the way back to Celsius so we can go full circle. So Rankine equals 509.66. Now I'm going to zoom into, I'm going to try to get close as possible. So there's 11 nines and 1 6. So assign the variable, which is Rankine, a value, which is 509. There's 11 nines, the 6. Now we're going to go all the way up here to Rankine and find where it converts to Celsius. Rankine converts to Celsius right here, and here's the conversion formula. And I'm going to paste this, assign the variable, which is Celsius, a value, which is the Celsius to, which is the Rankine to Celsius conversion formula. Print Celsius. So of course we're printing the results. And the results are almost 10. Almost 10 right here. So basically it's a simple formula of assigning a variable a value, assigning another variable a conversion formula as a value, and printing the results. It just uses different formulas to do it. So there's a lot of formulas to memorize, but actually doing it isn't that hard. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you. Bye.